Hi friends, this video shows how to set HTTPS proxy. Go to settings, select settings icon from top right corner. Go to network and internet. Set connected Wi-Fi network or mobile hotspot. Here go down. You can see proxy settings. Select it. Here we need to set manual. Then here we need to enter the IP address of HTTPS proxy server. In my case, this is the IP address of the HTTPS proxy server 192.168.1.100. Submit. Enter the port of the proxy server. Submit. Here we can enter no proxy domain names. Then submit. Done. Saved. So this way we can set HTTPS proxy server. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.